energy. For that, let us see the examples of work first. For doing work, we have to apply force. For example, lifting the bucket or lifting the bag. For lifting the things, we have to apply force. See, I have to apply force to lift the bucket full of water. Then, pulling and pushing things. If I want to pull this drawer, I have to apply force. While pushing this drawer also, I have to apply force. Then, carrying loads. If I want to carry the loads, at that time I have to apply force, muscular force for carrying loads. Then hammering the nail. For hammering the nail also I have to apply force. Then let us see what is the definition of work. When an object is displaced by applying force on it. See, when I lift this bucket, the bucket is displaced. Displaced means it has changed its place. When an object is displaced by applying force on it, work is said to be done. That means for doing work, two things are very important. Force and displacement. That's why work is equal to, formula of work is equal to force into displacement. For measuring work, these two things should be taken into account. Which are these two things? Force as well as displacement. Let us explain these two things now. See, if I want to displace this table, see, I am displacing this table. For that, I have to apply force. But I am displacing it very easily because it is empty. But if I put this box of microscope here, or also I put this bucket on it, and then I want to pull it. At that time, for doing same displacement, I have to apply more force because this has become now heavier. If I want to push it, then also I have to apply more force. That means more work is done because more force is applied to it. Now, let us see. First point we have studied that if force is more, applied force is more work is done. That means this is directly proportional. Work is directly proportional to force. Now, for lifting this bucket up to 1 foot, see, I have to apply force. Now, if I want to lift it for 2 feet, I have to apply more force. Why? Because the displacement is more. Understood? For 1 foot displacement, I have to apply less force. But if I want to displace it for 2 feet, at that time I have to apply more force. Then at that time more work is done. Why? Because there is more displacement. Understood? Displacement is also directly proportional to work, or work is directly proportional to displacement. In this way, force as well as displacement, these two quantities are very, very important when work is to be done. Now, children, if you are making rounds to the school ground, if you are punished and you have to make rounds to the school ground, at that time, if you are late, your 3 friends are late, Ramesh, Somesh and Umesh. These 3 friends, they are late for the school and they are punished to make 3 rounds to the school ground. At that time, while running, Ramesh, he will run fast because he has more energy. He has more capacity. Then Somesh, he will run less fast than this Ramesh. And Umesh, he will be the slower. Consider, this will happen on the ground. They will not run exactly equal with equal capacity while running, while making round to the ground. At that time, you will understand that the capacity of Ramesh, Somesh and Umesh, these are having different capacities to do work, and that's why their energy levels are also different, and so the capacity to do work is called energy. What is energy? The capacity to do work is called energy. It will be different in different cases. So, this is nothing but work, but the capacity to do work, that is energy. Now, while calculating this, we have to consider unit. For every quantity there is unit, and these units are in two systems, MKS or SI system and CGS system. Now, while calculating the work as well as energy, we have to take same units because these are having same formula and these are having same units. MKS unit of work as well as energy is Joule. Joule is the name of scientist who has done work on it, on the work, and that's why the unit of work as well as energy is Joule in memory of the scientist Joule. Actually, the unit will be force and displacement. These two things are there. That's why force is expressed in unit Newton, whereas displacement means distance and it is expressed in meter. That's why the unit will be Newton meter. The unit of work will be Newton meter in MKS system, and in CGS system it will be dyne centimeter. But they are given the names of the scientists Joule and Erg. That's why in MKS system the unit of work is Joule, and in CGS system it is Erg. And also it can be written like this, Newton meter and dyne centimeter. Remember, MKS system of work and energy is Joule. CGS system, in CGS system it is Erg or dyne centimeter. Okay? Have you understood work as well as energy? Okay?